Hey guys, it's me, and today I'm trying this ice cream crunchy blast that I've seen some of my friends try. It's basically just ice cream coated in milk chocolate and popping candy. If you heard of Pop Rocks, then it's basically that. So this is what it looks like. It has like, I think it's vanilla or something. It doesn't say. It just says ice cream coated in blah blah blah. Yeah, crunchy. So it says crunchy. So basically, I think it's crunchy. It's from Cadbury, of course. And yeah, let's get to trying it. It's yellow inside. It's 100% sustainably sourced cocoa. Okay, cocoa. Sorry. Okay, moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Okay, here it is. So it looks very good. I can see. So all these little bits are the popping candy. I think they pop in your mouth or something. I mean, of course, they're out. Okay, I can't take it. Anyways, guess what? It has cracks. Okay, anyways, let's just eat it. Oh my god, it's a unicorn. It has a horn like a unicorn. I just got it out from the freezer, so it is cold. Okay, wait, I'm just gonna get some of the chocolate. Like, I think this is a scam because I can't feel the popping candy. Let me get a large piece. Alright. Crunch it out. Oh my god! Can you hear it, guys? It sounds like I'm burping. Turn the volume up if you can't hear me. Okay, thanks. It's really good. But then, we only tried the chocolate, not the ice cream. So let me try the actual cream instead of the ice. That is actually really good. Oh, guys, if you're wondering why I'm all dressed up, it's because I'm going somewhere. If you're an Arab, put in the comments what this is. If you know what it is. Ask your parents, or I don't know, your older sisters, or younger if they're smarter. Oh my god. I don't know why I put on makeup. Anyways, I'm looking here, this side of that, because there's the clock right there. Right over here. And I'm trying to see what time it is. So yeah. As you may have heard, my sister said it might be the wrong time, but right now it is 2:26. I'll see what time it is now. It says 1:55. It's past 1:55 when? Yes. Shh. Anyways, Guys, like if you can hear me. Oh my god. I'm asking my dad to buy me this forever. It's so good. And it's like so long. Anyways, as our usual sponsor, thank you to Just Jules for inspiring me. You have inspired me and so many people to start a YouTube channel or to start anything actually. So thank you. Okay. Oh god, this is so good. I can't finish it. I just can't. You might wonder that the TV's on because somebody opened it. She's probably gonna watch. Don't know. Just Jules or what are you watching?
Morale.
Yeah. I don't know his guy. Anyways, you can just watch without just shaking. You're staying with me. I'm not single. Yeah. I'm gonna put it on for you. Ooh, guys, while I'm here, let's do a challenge. I'm sure to put it on while doing this. I'm gonna cry if there's no internet. Let's go check the Wi-Fi. Okay, so the Wi-Fi usually has a white light if it's working and an orange one if it's not. Guess what? Oh, I can't get it. White light. So it's not the Wi-Fi's fault, it's the TV's fault. Let's get it fixed. Let's get it working. Oh my god. Please work. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna plug I'm going. Wait. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna plug it out. I mean, not me. Somebody.
Ew.
Anyway, she's just covering. Okay, Mary, can you plug it out?
What?
You can watch her while she does it. Just stay there. Stay there. I got a yellow chin now. Turn it back on. Can't live without TV. It's my world. Please work. Comment down below while we're talking about TVs and stuff. Comment down what like thingy you have. Do you have like a Samsung? Is it like Sony? What kind of brand? I have GVC. I don't know. Like if you have GVC. Okay. Oh, wow. Please work. Otherwise I'm gonna kill you. TV. Finally, okay. Can we put an answer, please? Yes, we are. Fine. Okay. Okay, guys. Here is my search. I'm gonna read it to you. Darman, Chad Wild Clay. Happy birthday with my name. I'm not gonna say it. Sorry, you guys. I'm just gonna quit. MSA. And the others are just like the rest are just trending, except for Daniela and Regina and Daniela, and yeah. It's gonna trick me. We're gonna put MSA on cause yeah. Okay, we're gonna put on what video? Okay. So there's this thing that I do. I put on the 9th one because I'm 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we're putting a billionaire became our personal assistant. Okay.
With Galaxy Chocolate.
Anyways, we're here to watch me, not the TV. So, what we're gonna do is buy. I'm just saying, it's the best ice cream. Buy it. You're gonna love it. And thank you to Just Jules. Okay. But this is one warning. Careful, don't get hair in yours because I got hair in mine. Wait. Okay. Anyways, bye. See you later. The ice cream was to say something to you. Bye. It's waving bye. Bye.